everyone, my name is Icy and today we are gonna do an unboxing video of this. So first I saw this online and I was interested to get it because see you get to box and I feel that it will be a good workout maybe and you enjoy to music too. But when I was on a trip with my friends to Giant, we saw this. And since it was Christmas, my friend has kindly bought this for me. So now I'm going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, from the outside, it doesn't give a lot of information like how many songs or how to do it. Okay, there's some information here like brilliant light, Bluetooth music, boxing mode, and also it comes with a pair of boxing gloves. Okay, let's open it and see how it looks like the inside. This toy actually looks a bit kiddie, so I'm not sure whether it will be suitable for adults. It's a bit different from the one I saw on Shopee, which cost maybe around $30, which is similar to this. This was around $35. Let me try to open this with my nails. Okay, let's see what's inside. Oh, okay, so first you have this. Okay, 4 buttons. At the back, there's the battery. Which side, I'm not very sure. It comes with a pair of boxing gloves. Operation manual. Oh, it comes with Velcro. So I guess you can stick this on the wall. Or the suction cups. There's a battery. And something that I'm not sure. Oh, it's a tool. Like a mini screwdriver. And lastly, there is a USB cable. Let's try on the gloves first. Okay, so it's not a real full glove. It's a partial glove like this, where you stick your fingers into the bends on the fingers. And I guess you have to punch this. I will show you again how after I set it. Okay, first I'm going to try to put in the battery. I'm gonna take out this tool from the bag. And I'm going to open this. Then I'm gonna take out the battery and put it in. So it comes with a wire. Power on. Oh, so it is connected already. Let me just close it back. I want to make sure that it fits inside nicely. Putting the screw back on. I'm not sure what is inside here. Should we open and see? Let's do it. Although I think it's not necessary to open this, but let's just open it and see what's inside. Oh. Maybe it's either or. Maybe you can use this or use this. I don't have the batteries for this side. It was not given in the box, so let's just use this. The screw is really small. The tool is small too. Okay, now I'm going to turn it on. So there are 3 buttons here. 1, 2, 3. The power on and off button seems to be here. Okay, so that was kind of loud. I think we should look at the instruction manual first. Okay, so the first button here seems to be the speed button. This is the switch button. And this is the audio button. Long press to mute, short press to switch 3 volumes. For the speed button, long press to reset Bluetooth, short press to switch 8 speeds. Switch button, long press the switch, short press pause. Audio button. No, this one. Long press to toggle Bluetooth, short press to switch 5 volumes. Okay, let's look at the method of installation. The first installation method is to paste the magic tape on the back of the boxing target and the flat wall. Align the magic tape and install the boxing target on the target position. Note that the charging port should not be more than 1.5 meters away from the socket. Okay, so this is the magic tape. I don't think I will use this. Installation method 2. Put the back suction cup into the bayonet position and press it tightly. Press the boxing target hard to absorb it on the target position until the air in the middle of the suction cup is drained and let go. Please select the water attached to the towel. Note that the charging port should not be more than 1.5 meters away from the socket. Let's try the suction cup method. I assume that this is for the suction cup since there are 3 big holes here. Let me just put it in. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, I'm going to put it on the wall to test it. Okay, so I've already mounted it to my cupboard. it is not advisable onto a cupboard, but I have no other place now, so this is where I'll put it. I've also connected it with Bluetooth to my phone, and yes, you can use your own music for this. So let me show you. I play the music from my phone. Oh look, so it just dropped. Okay, I have mounted it to my cupboard again. Before it drops, I'm gonna show you what it can do. So basically, you will just punch on the button that the light goes to when you play the music. I've already... Oops. Okay, let's try it again. Let me put it back. Okay, so I've already put on my gloves. I'm gonna play the music. Okay, to adjust the speed, I think you have to press this button. Disconnected. Oh, apparently that is to disconnect. Okay, I have to get used to this and be more familiar with the switches. Okay, that's all. Bye. Hi, I'm back. After exploring this toy a little bit, I know how to use it better now. So first, let's on it. Okay, before that, there are two versions. One is the base version where the music is provided, and the second version is the Bluetooth version. So let's on it. Okay, long press. Okay, as you can see, when the light goes to the button, you press it and it will become dark blue. This is level 1. For this, there are 3 speeds. To increase the speed, you press on the left button. And I'm gonna press it one more time. So if you don't hit it on the rhythm, it will not turn blue. See, if I don't press it, it will not turn blue. Okay, and this button is supposed to be the volume. So now it's slightly softer. So according to the menu, there's only 3 speeds. The difference is not huge, but there will be a slight difference. Okay, now I'm going to show you the Bluetooth. So for Bluetooth, you long press this audio button. Bluetooth mode. And it will be connected to your device. Okay, and then you play the song. So for the Bluetooth version, there are actually 8 speeds. So I'm gonna press it. As you can see now, it's faster. Okay, so that was the fastest, and this is back to level 1. Okay, let's try this volume button again. Okay, so the difference is not huge, just a slight difference. Okay, to make it more challenging, what you can do is, for your left hand you use only these two, and for your right hand you use only these two. Okay, let's try it. Let me increase the speed also.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. 낮에는 따사로운 인간적인 여자, 커피 한 잔에 여유하는 품격 있는 여자, 밤이 오면 심장이 뜨거워지는 여자, 그런 반전 있는 여자. Oppan Gangnam Style.
Okay, so as you can see, that's how you play it. So even for an adult, it's actually a good toy for you to practice your coordination and rhythm. So I wouldn't mind this toy at all. Okay, so this is how you charge the toy. I believe the batteries are chargeable, and you can see that the middle part is lighted in red. Okay, so just now as I was playing it, I actually mounted it to the floor for safety reasons and also so that it doesn't drop. But you can try mounting it to a more stable place, like maybe a wall. And for the suction cups, you can try adding some water. Maybe it will help to stick better. Okay, just now as I was removing my gloves, I noticed that a part is coming off. Like the velcro part, you see, it started to open up. So the glove is actually not of very good quality, but I would say it's still okay for the price. And if you want a fun toy where your children or yourself can play with it, this will be a good toy. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up.